Hello and welcome to JoinLife, your trusted space for simplified wellness knowledge. Have you ever wondered if a small, sour fruit could hold the key to better immunity, glowing skin, enhanced digestion, and improved heart health? Amla-juice, made from the Indian gooseberry, Philanthus emblica, has long been prized in Ayurveda and is now gaining recognition in modern wellness circles. But what really happens when you make it a daily habit? Let's dive into the many ways amla-juice can elevate your health, drawing on centuries-old tradition as well as emerging scientific support. Amla is a nutrient-rich superfruit loaded with vitamin C, polyphenols, flavonoids, gallic acid, and more. When juiced, these nutrients become highly bioavailable and easy for the body to absorb. That makes regular consumption, especially on an empty stomach, a powerful wellness ritual. Let's now explore some of the remarkable benefits of drinking amla juice daily. One major benefit of drinking amla juice daily is its positive effect on the immune system. With up to 20 times more vitamin C than oranges, amla helps bolster your body's defenses. Its antioxidants support white blood cell activity, aiding quicker recovery from common infections. At the same time, it reduces oxidative stress, which underlies aging and chronic diseases. Amla juice also promotes digestive wellness. It stimulates gastric juices, improving nutrient absorption and easing bloating or acidity. Its natural fiber offers mild laxative support, reducing constipation and soothing IBS-like symptoms. Additionally, regular intake may aid the colon and liver in flushing accumulated toxins, promoting cleaner, more efficient digestion. Supporting heart health and metabolism is another impressive benefit. Amla helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, while supporting healthy HDL levels. It may alleviate high blood pressure and promote smoother circulation by keeping blood vessels flexible. For those managing blood sugar concerns, amla juice improves insulin response and reduces post-meal spikes, supporting more stable glucose levels. Skin health and anti-aging receive a boost from amla's high vitamin C, which enhances collagen synthesis for firmer skin. Its antioxidant content counteracts free radical damage and promotes a radiant complexion. Regular use can help fade dark spots, diminish fine lines, and bring a natural glow. When it comes to hair, amla juice works from within to nourish follicles, strengthening them and reducing hair fall. Ayurvedic tradition credits it with preventing premature graying thanks to its pitta balancing effect. Over time, users often notice shinier, thicker hair and improved scalp condition.
Drinking amla juice each day may also sharpen mental clarity and brain health. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties protect brain cells from oxidative damage, potentially reducing fogginess and improving memory. Many who include amla daily report better focus and sustained energy levels. Vision health stands to benefit too, thanks to vitamins A and carotenes in amla juice. These support macular function and protect against age-related vision decline. Regular intake may ease eye strain and support clearer vision in the long term. Amla juice performs gentle detoxification by flushing toxins via the liver and kidneys. Its mild diuretic action encourages balanced elimination without dehydration. Metropolis India emphasizes its role in reducing the body's toxin load, leading to clearer skin, better digestion, and improved vitality. Before adding amla juice to your daily routine, it's smart to be aware of possible side effects. While generally considered safe, heavy consumption can lead to stomach cramps, dry mouth, and an excessive cooling effect, especially in colder climates. It may also interact with diabetes or blood pressure medications. Start with a small amount, around 20 to 30 ml diluted in water, and consult a doctor if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or managing chronic ailments. In terms of usage, the best time to drink amla juice is first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for maximal absorption. A typical dose is 20 to 30 ml diluted with 100 ml water or juice 1 to 2 times per day. You may add a few drops of honey or ginger juice to enhance taste and support absorption. Choose a trusted brand, Sri Sri Tattva, for instance, offers preservative-free, cold-pressed amla juice, which helps retain nutrients and deliver consistent quality. What kind of results can you expect, and when? Digestive improvement and energy boost can emerge within a few days. Skin clarity, hair strength, and cholesterol or blood sugar changes usually take 3 to 6 weeks of consistent use. As with any natural remedy, individual results vary based on diet, lifestyle, and underlying health. So, what are the health benefits of drinking amla juice daily? The list is impressively comprehensive. Enhanced immunity, smoother digestion, better cardiovascular markers and blood sugar control, radiant skin, stronger hair, sharper mental focus, improved eyesight, and gentle detox support. This small fruit delivers wide-ranging support from inside out. Incorporating amla juice into your daily routine might seem simple, but the impact can be transformative, especially when used mindfully. Rooted in Ayurvedic wisdom and increasingly validated by modern research, amla juice truly deserves its place as a powerful daily health tonic. That's all for today's video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please share it with your friends and family. You never know who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected, stay inspired, and let nature's healing power guide your wellness journey. See you in the next video.